Hello students, good morning to all of you. This is Bablu Kumar teaching in Jesus American Academy. Today we are going to discuss how to solve exercise 1.2. This session of video is especially for class 8B, subject mathematics. So let us see or come to know how to solve questions of exercise 1.2. There are some questions I am going to solve that help you to solve the questions of exercise 1.2. So these questions are as model for you to solve all the questions. So let us solve the question number first. Question number first, represent the following rational number on number line. So the question number first is 9.8, 9 upon 8. So in order to represent this number on number line, first we draw a line here. Just we draw a line and put here 0, and as we know that the denominator is less than numerator, so we divide this line into 9 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and this one 9, and we write denominators of all these numbers as 8 8 8 8 8, and here we see that there is a rational number on the number line, so we just put here dot and encircle this number. So in this way we can express a rational number on number line. In the same way we also solve question number B on number line. As we know that here see there is negative integer -1, so we write or put the numbers on the left side of 0, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Because the denominator is 5, so we divide this number line in 5 parts. So 1 upon -1 upon 5, -2 upon 5, -3 upon 5, -4 upon 5 and -5 upon 5. So here we see that there is a number just left of 0, 0 -1 upon 5. So we just encircle this number. In this way we can represent a rational number or any number on number line. As we know that positive numbers always come on the right side of 0. In the same way negative integers or numbers always come on the left side of 0. Now let us see the second number. Find Question number 2. Find a rational number between 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 3. There are two rational numbers. We have to just find this rational number. In order to find a rational number between these two rational numbers, we just add both rational number together, and then after we divide the sum of two rational number by 2. So let us do. Just to understand this one, we draw a number line and put here 5 upon 7 on the one side of number line, and we put 2 upon 3 on the other side of number line or other end of the number line. Now we have to find a number line between the two rational number. Now a rational number solution. A rational number between 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 7 plus 2 upon 3 divided 2. Now find the LCM of 7 and 3. The LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So 21 is divisible by 7. So 7 3 are 21. We just multiply this number by 3, 15. In the same way, we divide 21 by 3, we get 7. So we just multiply this number by 7. So 14. 7 to the 14. And then after we just convert the sign of division. When we convert the sign of division into multiplication, the number 2, it becomes, or it changes in its reciprocal, 1 upon 2. So this one 15 plus 14, 29, and this one 42. So a rational number between 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 3 is 29 upon 42. This is answer. In the same way, suppose we have to find two rational number between 1 and minus 3. So solution of this question. Solution. Now just you see, we draw a number line here and we put minus 3 at the end of one side of number line, and we put 1 at the end of the other side of rational number, other side of number line. So let us first we find first rational number. The first rational number, we add both the numbers or integers together and just divide it by 2. So when we add minus 3 plus 1, we get 2. 2 divided, we just change the sign of division. When we put here sign of multiplication in place of division, we just write reciprocal of this number, 1 upon 2. So this one 1. So the first rational number that comes between minus 3 and 1 is 1. The second rational number, So what is the second? Now in order to find the second rational number, we just find a rational number between minus 3 and 1. So minus 3 sorry, this one minus here, minus sorry, when we add minus 3 plus minus 3 and 1, we get minus 2. The second rational number, we just find the rational number between minus 3 and minus 1. So minus 3 plus minus 1, and this both number will be divided by 2 here. The sum of both number should be divided by 2. So minus 3 and minus 1 is equal to minus 4, and just we change the markup or sign of division into multiplication, and we write reciprocal of this number 1 upon 2. So this one minus 2. So in this way we have got the second rational number between minus 3 and minus 1 is minus 2. So the two rational number, hence the two rational number between minus 3 and 1 are minus 1 and minus 2. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and there is some homework for you. You have to complete exercise 1.2 in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.